Good day everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. On this video, I'm going to talk about how to remove Yahoo from the Google Chrome. Now, let's take an example that you're typing or searching something and typing something on the address bar. And by default, if you type something, the Yahoo search bar would show up in the Google Chrome. Now, there is a quick, easy, simple step how you can manage your search engines. So, for which, what you will have to do is you will have to click on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of your Google Chrome. Go to Settings. Under Settings, you will have to go to Search Engine. Under Search Engine, you will see an option which says Search Engine used in the address bar. Now, from the drop down menu, you can go ahead and select Google or the preferred search engine you would like to use. In case if you want to switch back to Yahoo, you can go ahead and click on the drop down menu and click on Yahoo. I'm going to keep Google as a default. And in case if you want to manage your search engines, these are the search engines which are currently available. If you want to remove these search engines permanently from your the search engine options, you can click on the three dotted lines and click on remove from the list, and that should be removed from the default search engines. In case if you want to add more, you can click on add, type the search engines, and in that way you can go ahead and add more search engines. So I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.